over some of the great features of this automobile, such as the dash. The dash was originally gray.
It was black.
It was a black dash, but it first gray.
In his infinite wisdom, painted it gold lacquer, and I could not remove the gold without destroying the vinyl itself with solvents, and so I spray painted it black again. Then Serge, in his infinite wisdom, had a wire brush.
Are we fucked here?
No, we're good. I'm still rolling. Oh, come on. Gotta keep rolling, gotta keep rolling.
Yeah.
Good. Video still on?
Oh yeah.
Awesome.
Here we go. Power moves. Yeah, roll deep. Oh, we gotta see how much we weighed.
Bad timing.
Bad timing?
So Serge painted my dashboard silk gold, I painted it black again, then he brushed through it, and now it's like a majestic lion's mane. It's the most beautiful dashboard ever.
It's wheat in the wind.
Yes.
He also painted the steering wheel.
Yes.
And I did that modification. Yeah, it's a little bit different. Now you can watch Corey's hand shaking to death as he shifts. And the car destroyed itself. Hey! We're trying to make our way over to a certain garage of misfits and deadbeats to hopefully have some sort of chance of fixing this without getting a VI. Turns out my CAA, which has been so valuable to me, and I've made the toes so precious that I didn't use any of them, has now expired. So we're trying our best.